Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. I'm here to show you how I built my DIY outdoor shelter for a community cat. And please stay tuned so you can find out how to get a chance to win a $50 Amazon.com eGift card. It's my way of giving thanks to you all. So winter is fast approaching. I wanted to build a shelter, something easy to build with minimum tools, things you can find around the house. I know you see this cat bed on the screen, and most of you are thinking, no, you can't use a cat bed. Obviously, I didn't do enough research on the outdoor bedding material. I want to deck it out with some fluffy bedding. Wrong. Blankets and towels are bad for outdoor shelters because it can draw moisture. That's a breeding ground for bacteria, can also freeze, making kitty extremely uncomfortable or worse. Learn from my mistake and don't get that. Ideally, the best material to use is straw, not hay. There's a difference, believe it or not. Look it up. Especially if the shelter is far from your home and you're not able to easily check on it daily. It's low maintenance and does the job of keeping the moisture away and holding onto kitty's body heat. However, I still opted for the self-warming cat mat that I found on Amazon that's made for outdoor or indoor cats. I read plenty of reviews and many people already use it for the outdoor shelter. I love that it's self-warming, uses the cat's own body heat, no electricity or batteries required, making it machine washable. Plus I can check on it daily and clean it as needed. Now back to my shelter. This is a 2-bin system, making sure both openings are aligned and the same size. Use a blow dryer on the area. This will make it easier to cut through. Also, don't try to rush like I did. I accidentally cracked a little part of the inner bin trying to rush it. After that, you want to cover up the sharp edges with duct tape and add insulation between the bins. I use parts of a foam cooler. And finally, guys, you can just pop the lid on, making sure that they're secure and you're good to go. But there's so many designs to choose from when constructing an outdoor shelter. This is just how I built mine. Have you guys built one before? What was your experience? I would love to hear. Ladies and gents, like I've said before, drum roll please. I want to invite you to participate in my official giveaway, Miss Sky's 2023 Holiday Giveaway. Here's how you could enter for a chance to win a $50 Amazon.com e-gift card. And of course, this giveaway is completely free to answer, no purchase necessary. The 3 simple rules are: 1. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you already are, great. If not, hit that subscribe button right there. Number 2, like this video. Go ahead and hit that like button right there on the bottom of the video. And number 3, comment the word nap and what type of content you're most interested to see. And that's it. Those simple rules. This giveaway is only available for the US residents and 18 years or older. After you follow those 3 rules, you will earn 1 entry for a chance to win one $50 Amazon.com e-gift card. The giveaway is open at 7:30 p.m. Eastern, Tuesday, December 19, 2023, and closes at 5 p.m. Eastern, Tuesday, January 2nd, 2024. Once the giveaway closes, we will pick a random winner using a random comment picker. We will communicate the winner in 2 ways. 1, we will update this video description with the name of the winner. And 2, we will announce the winner on the video titled Miss Sky's 2023 Holiday Giveaway Winner. This will also post on YouTube at 6 p.m. Eastern on Tuesday, January 2nd, 2024. They must contact us via email to claim their prize. The email is contact@skyesinspiration.com. We will provide a keyword that must be edited into the winning comment. This will verify the winner. If the winner does not respond or validate their comment as instructed within 2 weeks, they will be disqualified and a new winner will be randomly chosen. In summary, thank you to all of you watching my video today and to all participating in the giveaway. I really appreciate your support. Good luck on to you all. So thanks for watching. See you again next time. This giveaway is not affiliated or sponsored by YouTube in any way. We are solely responsible for the giveaway and delivering the giveaway to the winner.